Well, hello. This is TV0039 reporting. I'm just doing a weather video. You want to see what Minnesota weather is like? Well, after that storm we had, I'll show you. What do you think of that? It's nothing but fucking snow. Nothing but snow, and plenty of it. As you can see, we're piled high. Yep, and here you go. Nothing but snow. I mean, we're pretty much buried around here, as you can tell. We've gotten, I measured the night, or the next day after the snow was finished, we got 28 inches on my deck. And that's a lot over a day and a half. Yep. That's a lot of snow. So, quick little Minnesota weather report. And Minnesota is packed with snow. So, anyway, have a good day. TV0039 out.